Hello there guys, back with another video, and today we got some big info of the much talked about and rumored Lego Mosaic and Bust sets. We have some info of some more sets and even some leaked images. For new info, we do have some news of more sets coming, including the entire Avengers team for Marvel and for Maul and Vader. We're actually getting them both. So very exciting to see more sets for a new theme. And now for the images. These are leaked, so let's hope so you can show them here and not get sued by Lego. Anyways, here are the new set images.
Wait. What year is this? Yeah, that's a bit outdated, isn't it? Let's try something else.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. Everything is awesome.
Oh, that one's a classic. Wonder what else.
Nope. Tired of that.
A man has fallen into the river.
Ah, no, not that. I almost drowned.
Hey.
Well, I'm not singing Let It Go.
This is what happens when you're stuck in quarantine. And lastly, here's the most anticipated Iron Man bust.
This